Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes the workstation you bought last year look like a calculator. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the entry-level Mac, the one people picked up when they couldn't justify spending big money or when they just needed something simple to run quietly in the background. It was practical, reliable, and often overlooked. But something shifted in late 2024 with the M4 redesign, and that shift is now turning into a full-blown transformation. In 2026, Apple is preparing to release the Mac Mini M5, a machine that completely redefines what a compact desktop is supposed to be. This is no longer about affordability or compromise. This is about raw power in a form factor that almost feels impossible. What makes this moment so interesting is how aggressively Apple is pushing boundaries. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just getting faster in the usual sense. It represents a deeper change in how computing power is built and delivered. Apple is introducing what insiders are calling fusion architecture, a design approach that merges multiple processing components in a way that dramatically increases speed and efficiency. This isn't a minor upgrade you barely notice in daily use. This is the kind of leap that changes how quickly your computer responds, how smoothly it handles complex workloads, and how long it stays relevant before feeling outdated. There is a reason why leaks about this device are surfacing with unusual intensity. Supply chains don't get this noisy unless something significant is happening. Professional users are paying attention too. Many video editors, developers, and content creators are reportedly holding off on upgrading their current setups, even skipping more expensive machines, because they expect the Mac Mini M5 to deliver performance that challenges far pricier systems. That alone tells you this is not just another entry-level desktop. It's a strategic move designed to disrupt Apple's own lineup as much as the broader market. The M5 chip itself sits at the center of this transformation. Built on a refined 3nm process, it pushes efficiency and performance to levels that were barely imaginable just a few years ago. Smaller transistors mean more power without the traditional drawbacks of heat and energy consumption. But the real headline feature is the GPU. Early reports suggest a massive jump in graphics performance, around 45% over the previous generation. That kind of improvement changes everything for creative professionals. Rendering, animation, real-time effects, and even gaming workloads could see dramatic speed gains, turning what used to take minutes into tasks completed almost instantly. However, with this level of performance, there is always a question of cost. Apple is known for balancing innovation with premium pricing, and it seems likely that the Mac Mini M5 will not remain as affordable as its predecessors. There are also indications that production strategies are shifting, potentially moving away from traditional manufacturing hubs. This could impact pricing further, but it also reflects a broader shift in how Apple approaches supply chains and global production. Beyond raw performance, the Mac Mini M5 is being positioned as something more than just a computer. Apple appears to be aiming directly at the future of artificial intelligence. The neural engine inside the M5 is rumored to be significantly faster than before, capable of handling advanced AI tasks locally rather than relying on cloud-based systems. This means real-time processing for things like video enhancement, voice recognition, and even running large language models directly on your desktop. The idea is simple but powerful. Your computer becomes the center of your digital intelligence, handling tasks instantly without needing constant internet access. This shift toward local AI processing is a big deal. It reduces latency, improves privacy, and opens the door to entirely new kinds of applications. Imagine editing videos with AI assistants that responds instantly, or coding with tools that generate and refine functions in real time without sending your data to external servers. The Mac Mini M5 could become the hub for all of that, quietly sitting on your desk while delivering performance that rivals much larger systems. Of course, packing this much power into such a small device raises an obvious concern: heat. Thermal management has always been one of the biggest challenges in compact computing. The previous redesign already pushed the limits with its tiny footprint, and now Apple is increasing performance even further. The solution appears to lie in a redesigned internal cooling system, including advanced thermal structures that improve airflow and heat dissipation without increasing size. These changes are subtle, almost invisible from the outside, but they are critical to making the entire system work. Looking deeper into the chip design reveals even more interesting details. The base M5 is expected to feature a 10-core CPU, but not all cores are created equal. Apple is reportedly introducing specialized high-performance cores, sometimes referred to as super cores, designed to handle short bursts of intense activity. These are the cores responsible for making your system feel instantly responsive. Opening apps, switching between tasks, and handling quick operations all become faster and smoother. The M5 Pro variant takes things even further. It is rumored to use advanced packaging technology that allows different components of the chip to communicate at incredibly high speeds. This results in memory bandwidth that surpasses many high-end desktop systems. When data can move this quickly between the CPU, GPU, and memory, overall performance increases dramatically, especially in tasks that require constant data transfer like video editing, 3D rendering, and large-scale computations. All of this leads to a fascinating question about the future of desktop computing. If a device this small can deliver this level of performance, what happens to traditional desktops and bulky workstations? The Mac Mini M5 challenges the assumption that power requires size. It suggests a future where compact machines dominate, offering performance that was once limited to much larger and more expensive systems. At the same time, this evolution raises expectations. Users will no longer accept slow performance or long processing times as normal. Instant responsiveness becomes the standard, not the exception. The Mac Mini M5 is not just a product. It is a statement about where computing is heading, a glimpse into a future where power, efficiency, and intelligence are seamlessly integrated into devices that fit in the smallest spaces. As this new generation of hardware approaches release, one thing is clear. The definition of a budget computer is about to change forever. The Mac Mini M5 is positioned to blur the line between entry-level and professional performance, creating a category of its own. Whether you are a casual user, a creative professional, or someone exploring the possibilities of AI, this tiny machine could become one of the most important pieces of technology in your setup.